Good morning. So I'm going to Robertson County Fair today to do some judging for their food contest. I am supposedly eating 51 different food, so it will definitely ruin my diet for this entire month probably. So there will be no beach body thing going on for me at all, but hey, it is what it is, life of a chef. I'll be accompanied by a few of our chef friends, Chef Chris Lampo and Matt Bobbitt. They're all local celebrities on their own right, and looking forward to be there on a judging panel with them. So tag along today and let's see how things go. So, are you going to be my dinner today? No?
Hey, why don't we get together and buy one?
We should.
But we may not want to spook them.
Are we going to go to our kitchen today? No.
Is that yours?
Discussion going on for the grand champion.
Open conversation here for a minute.
They just look like machine recording.
Discussion.
What were you doing today?
Here is my chef hero.
We got our swag bag, baby.
This is Chef Chris Lampo of Christopher's World Grill. Matter of fact, he is actually one of the person who should get credit for me getting into the culinary world. And you know, my wife and I dated at his restaurant. My graduation party was there coming out of college.
Aww.
So you know, it has a lot of great memory. And you know, me standing next to him judging for Robertson County Fair is pretty cool, special day.
It was a fun time.
It was. And I appreciate the invitation, and you know, I'm glad you gave me a call, you know, to do this thing. It's kind of out of the routine, out of the ordinary.
For sure.
So.
It's nice to get out a little bit and have something a little different.
Absolutely. I appreciate it, Chef. Have a safe drive, okay? We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.